sisters. Dadan! Dadan! Oh my God! Oh, she's wow, eagle. Oh no, what's that?
Rescue Center for Endangered and Wild Animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now, as our way of saying thank you for being with us in this prolific morning, we brought you to show you meet our animal ambassadors and get to the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve, to conserve, and of course, do not destroy their habitat. So please help us with our mission in conserving them. And folks, by the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na white-bellied sea eagle.
Where is it?
And there you go. Once again, folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliaetus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. Now, white-bellied sea eagles are commonly found in coastal areas of Australia, India, and here in the Philippines. They are actually the second largest eagles here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that could reach up to 2 meters or 7 feet wide. So ganyan po, seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Cyril natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have shed. There you go. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbills with a scientific name of Poceros Mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and Ensis meaning belonging to, therefore belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, folks, eyelashes po. Kung makikita natin ang kanilang mga pilik mata sa malapitan. Legit yan, guys. Hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension.
Welcome to Crocodile
Okay,
Park
this
here in
morning,
Davao
magpapakita
City,
nila sila
Philippines.
gamit ang
We are
kanilang
having
mga tuka. But before
the
that,
Animals
I have a job for
Ambassador
you to
show.
follow. 3 and
Fly! Oh my God! That was fast.
Mr. Dio and JJ. Now, folks, when you see a hornbill doing it, and
Fly!
Alright, those are our Philippine Great Hornbills, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest.
Kalaw,
They
alarm
make
clock of
noise
the rainforest.
every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang mga kalaw, folks. With Kuya Michael. Di ba, guys? Barak here is a vibrant color of blue and gold. Okay. May pa-freezes ka dyan, Kuya Michael. Okay, so mga kiddos natin, lapitan natin si Kuya Michael, bibigyan tayo ng sunflower seeds. In short, i-feed natin si Barak Fox. Okay, kiddos? Go to Kuya Michael. Okay, bibigyan tayo ni Kuya Michael dito ng sunflower seeds. Alright. So mga kiddos natin dyan. And folks, huwag niyong kalilimutan mamaya, right after. Dati nila yan, guys. And go. Ayan na si Barak, guys.
Behavior.
Okay, slowly but surely, pull up. And there you go. Now, as you can see, folks, Barak is picking up the twig using their prehensile beak. Prehensile, folks, ibig sabihin, para na po itong kamay para sa ating mga paras. And if you look closely on their feet, they have what we call zygodaxal feet. 2 toes facing forward, 2 toes facing backwards, allowing them to climb on the branch po, and allowing them to grab any objects. And saan natin nilalagay? And there you go. Buo na. Alright, once again, that's for Barak, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila ang kanyang walking trainer. There you go. Alright, that's beauty, folks. Our sulfur caressing of kakatuwa Galireta. And they can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now, folks, of this card, so that's how male kakadu sport female.
That's how to be cute.
Ayun na siya, guys. And there you go. Ganun pa rin pala. There was actually see kakadus do that in the wild one, no? And since they're highly intelligent birds, they are prone to boredom. And lastly, just words along their prehensile beak. And of course, their favorite sunflower seeds.
Oh my goodness.
Alright?
Oh.
Now, folks, that's
Palawan
there's
bear.
a face of a cat, a body like a bear, and a tail like a monkey. Again, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear, got with the scientific name of Tictis bitrong. Or you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb or action for. And they're doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy. Dahil dyan, si Kuya Simon naman yung lalambitin sa kahoy. Ay, charot lang po. So may direct your attention to your right side na naman. And that is, it's because they are capable of standing up using their 2 hind legs like a bear. And there you go. That is their 2 hind legs.
Yes.
There
Ah!
you go. Alright, once again. Alright, once again, folks. That is Piolo, our gentle giant. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, tinitilian? Ito yung artistahin dito, folks, no? Sa mga bisita natin, hindi pa nakapag-experience maghawak ng snake.
Your turn. Uncle Bob, your turn.
We have animal petting. Geez.
Petter.
Sa mga gustong mag-picture with animal
You should put it
ambassadors,
on your neck.
especially Piolo here, folks. Kahit anong mangyari, huwag niyo lang po ilalaglag si Piolo.
Sloper.
Safe ka po. Folks, that is Piolo, our gentle giant, ang ating albino Burmese python. And aside, yung name of Python vividatus. They are the 3rd largest. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why a round of applause for yourselves this time. Thank you so much po. Napakilala ko sa inyo aming mga trainers. Kuya Michael with our snake. Kuya Jima with Romy, our cockatoo. Kuya Sarah with our kalaw. Kuya Dexter with our banog. At syempre, ang ating cute na tour guide na si Kuya John with the tikbox. At doon sa taas ang ating mga interns. So once again, my name is Christine and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Working with nature for a better future. Again, kayo salamat sa inyong tanan. Mabuhay! Again, as promised.